So once you've sorted out what you want to take home, bring it to one of these self-checkout machines. There's multiple checkouts downstairs and one upstairs. Or you can just take it to the help desk and we'll issue it for you. That's what we're here for, to help. So you get your card with the barcode up, swipe it under the scanner like that. Works better on an angle, I've found. Pop your books on. It'll read about 3 at a time. Slide them off. Finished. And it'll print a receipt. Just remember, if you've got console games that you're issuing, they need to be taken to the counter to unlock.